In primetime news this evening, big budget cuts. COVID crunch forces finance minister to slash spending as tax intake falls. Reopening tourism. Minister outlines how Jamaica will be the land of all right post-COVID. Breaking ground. Prime Minister Holness sending the signal that economic activity must continue despite COVID. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, do you believe enough is being done to prevent a second spike in COVID-19 cases with the planned reopening of the economy?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.